Hi everyone. Today we will take a look at the unboxing of SY-418. SY-418 is a product of Seekway. It has a uniform packaging, as you can see in the video. It has information about the controller on the side. We can see its name, model, size, version number N1, weight, and barcode here. We open the outer packaging. It contains port stickers, warranty card, certificate of conformity and bill of materials. 8 GB SD card. It says, do not plug and unplug the card while it is powered on. Its accessories include China National Standard plug power cord, audio cable, Bluetooth antenna, double-ended Category 5E network cable, terminal, screwdriver. This is the appearance of our SY-418. The sticker on the lower right also indicates its version number. Its bottom has 8 ports and a power cord jack. The top from left to right is the switch, 3.5mm audio jack, microphone jack, cascade jack, signal light, SD card slot, panel interface, console interface, antenna interface. The SY-418P version will have a corresponding GPS interface. The above is the unboxing video of SY-418. Thank you for watching.